Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Daily Dose, Day 2, Lower. This formula works exactly opposite to upper formula. Upper changes the case to capital letters or uppercase, and lower helps us in changing the characters into lowercase or small letters. Again, you can also use referencing a cell or directly supplying the text in the string. Let me show you both the methods. Again, start with is equal to symbol and typing the formula. I'll supply the text in double quotes. Excel daily dose. So I have used them in uppercase. Once you're done with the formula, it automatically converts them into lowercase. Let me supply them with a cell reference. Lower. Say I use this cell B2 and that is totally changed to lowercase. That's it. You have successfully learned Day 2 second formula lower. Happy learning. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.